In India, since 1861, when the country was under British rule, it is criminal to be in a homosexual relationship. According to Section 377 of the Indian Constitution, any person who has intercourse that is against the order of nature is liable to be imprisoned for life or face a jail term for up to 10 years. And it is this law that is now being challenged in India's highest court. 5 people have approached the court seeking repeal of Section 377. They claim that their right to privacy and dignity are being violated because of this law. The Indian government has for the first time declared its position on the subject and has told the Supreme Court that it would leave the decision on legalizing homosexuality to the court's wisdom. Prior to this, many ministers of the Indian government have gone on record saying decriminalizing homosexuality was wrong. In the course of the hearing so far, the lawyers of the petitioners have also raised South Africa's example of legalizing LGBTQ rights as an example that India should follow and emulate. The petitioners in the case explained how Canada's decision to make homosexuality legal was relied upon by the Constitutional Court of South Africa to legalize same-sex relationships. The petitioners also praised how South Africa's government and its courts recognize the vulnerability of gay people. In that light, the Indian Supreme Court has observed that the right of an adult to choose their sexual partner is a fundamental right and that such a partner could also possibly be of the same sex. The court has also said it doesn't want 2 gay men who are perhaps holding hands and walking down a street to be arrested. And this is a position that members of the gay community have welcomed.
It started on a very well note and we are looking forward to a good judgment. We have a faith in the court.
I think one of the most important things is that finally the government is talking about it, at least, ready to hear about it. We've been trying for years so that our side is at least heard, So I think that is a good step for us.
A good step for us.
Even as many nations have of late legalized same-sex relationships, it is still a crime in 72 countries, including India. The Supreme Court is yet to take a decision on this matter, but members of the LGBTQ community in India are certainly hoping that, like in South Africa, in India, a life of dignity is not too far away. Neha Poonia, SABC News, New Delhi.